You've just tuned into SkyMet Weather Report and I'm Jessica. Now looking at the nation, temperatures are still on the higher side over West Rajasthan as the dark red color shows. Basically, a continuous dry spell is the reason for this. Pleasant temperatures in lower 30s will continue over West Coast, Central East and Northeast India, but would start rising over Northwest Plains because of decrease in rainfall. No major changes expected over the rest of the country. Southwesterly winds from the Arabian Sea are reaching up to central India. And as you can see, the moist winds from Bay of Bengal are penetrating into Northeast and East India due to the shift in axis of the monsoon trough to northwest winds, which would become westerly over Northwest Plains. This shift will also result in decrease of rainfall in the Northwest Plains, but intensity of rain will increase in the foothills of Himalayas, particularly over North Punjab, Haryana, northern parts of Uttar Pradesh and East Bihar. West Coast and East India will also get moderate rains. West Rajasthan will still be elusive from rain. Okay, now let's see what's up in our major cities. Afternoon in Delhi will once again be uneasy due to rise in temperature at 34 degrees and intense humidity. But minimum would be tolerable at 27 degrees. Sky will be partly cloudy with light rain in some parts of the city. Mumbai will enjoy moderate showers. Day will be comfortable at 30 degrees. Morning would also remain pleasant at 27 degrees. Despite of light rain, Kolkata will remain uneasy due to high humidity and a maximum of 33 degrees. Morning and night would be comfortable at 27 degrees. Pleasant weather over Bangalore will continue. Light showers in some parts of the city will enhance the comfort level. Maximum will be around 30 and minimum at 20 degrees will also be very soothing. With marginal rise in Hyderabad, it will be warm and humid. Maximum will be 34 degrees. Sky would remain cloudy. Morning will be comfortable at 24 and light rain is expected in afternoon or evening. In Chennai, humid weather and maximum of 37 degrees will give no comfort, but few showers might bring some light rain. In some parts of the city, morning will be comfortable at 26 degrees. So on that note, I take your leave for now. Catch us again tomorrow right here on SkyMet Weather Report. I'm Jessica and thanks for tuning in.